Union Elementary School.
Drum and bell corps. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, grabe, kumukuti-kutita. Pati lang mga smile, no? Grabe, I can see the smiles on the kids' faces. Kumukuti-kutita, yun, binuhon.
Nag-last song syndrome ka ba? LSS, di ba? Ano mga panahon ng mga maliliit pa sila. Biglang sila. Okay, kumukuti-kutita, and here's our next entry. Entry number 9 for the second set. Entry number 10, rather, for the second set.
Alright, so this is Binoang Elementary School Drum and Lyre Corps.
And I think they're all set. Yes. So Binoang Elementary School Drum and Lyre Corps, your time starts now.
Once again, that was Binoang Elementary School Drum and Lyre Corps.
From Malabog District pala sila. Yan.
Parang magpo-appeal na siguro tayo ni Ate Mel, no?
Lagi,
Parehas na ang costume sa ila.
Okay. And now, are you ready? We have our second set for our Mugna entries. I think we have our entry number 3 for Mugna, ladies and gentlemen.
These are your Christmas sweets. Christmas sweets mascots are showing us how Davao City celebrates Christmas with sweets. Children and families will love and enjoy sweets. During Christmas Day, it shows the sweet love of Jesus to us. Talaga naman na napaka-sweet. Ang ating Pasko.
Ano mo ba ang pinaka-sweet? Ano ang paborito mong sweet pagdating sa Davao?
Ay, alam ko na yan. Siyempre, andyan na po si Lola Abon.
Ayan, the one and only. Siyempre, pag mga friends from Manila or from other cities coming over here or nagpapadala sila na pasalubong, we always bring them Lola Abons.
Yes, so
at wala nang iba.
Mauuna nang i-take home ang itong 5 sweets natin ngayon. Pero of course, for those of you who are coming in from outside of Davao City, you can also take home Lola Abons.
Yan, huwag kakalimutan. Alam mo, nung maliliit yung mga anak ko, sabi ko, pag kumain kayo ng isang candy, kailangan 2 basong tubig yung kapalit niya. No? So mag-iisip-isip sila, kakain pa ako ng isang candy kasi pag 2